Hello world, welcome to Cybercreate, and today we are going to solve triangle formulation question in the series of competitive programming. So let us just start. First let us basically read the question. Given an array of size n with n integers, output if a triangle can be formed by using any three of these numbers as the side of the triangle. So let us just understand the input. The first line contains n, the size of the array, like 6, and here are the 6 elements, and the next line contains n integers, so here are those 6 elements, and we have to output either yes or no. If we can form the triangle by using any of these three numbers, we can say yes, and if we are not able to make the triangle by using any of these three numbers, we are just going to simply return no. If you remember, in triangle there are three sides, and like if one side is 5 and second side is 3, the third side have to be less than the sum of these two sides. It should be any number that is less than 5 plus 3, that is 8, so it have to be less than 8, and it have to be greater than 5 minus 3, so 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, so it have to be any number which is in between 2 and 8, excluding 8 and excluding 2. So for this case, this side can be like 3, 4, 5, 6 till 7. It can be any number till 7. So this is the main logic that we are going to check if it is possible to create a triangle using any of these three numbers. So what thing can we do? With the help of these numbers, we can just easily create the combination of all these numbers in three pairs, like 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 2, and all those possible combinations that can be formed using this list. Then we can keep on checking, like 3 plus 4 plus 7, if we can form the triangle with this. If not, then we are going to continue. If we can form the triangle with 3, 4 and 2, if we can, then we are going to simply print yes, and if no, we are simply going to continue. And we are going to continue till every combination in this list is over. And if the combination in this list is over and we are not able to find any number or any three number pair that can make a triangle, then we are simply going to say no. And if at any point we encountered any three number that can be used to form a triangle, then we are simply going to print yes. So this is pretty easy question, and it is pretty simple to understand. You have to first, you can simply write a function that can do this task to check if these three numbers are forming a triangle or not, and then you can create all the possible combination using this list of number. In every programming language there is a library that can help you to do permutation, combination and things like that. So if you understand this question till now, and if you understand this algorithm, you can just basically jump to your editor and just try to code. But here we are just going to use Python to code, and things will get more clear if it is not clear till now in our code. So here you can see our code. First, this is our list L. So we simply took the list, we statically defined the list. If you just want to, let me say, if I don't want to define, you can just use input. Well, I have made video how you can take input, and if you don't know in the case, but let's continue. So here is our list, and here we wrote our function of finding if the three sides sum up to form a triangle. And what was the condition? If a plus b, it means if summing both the side is greater than our number c or our third parameter, and it should be greater than the absolute difference of both sides. And if it is so, then we are simply returning true. This means of course it is a triangle, and we are returning false means this condition failed and this is not a triangle, because we can't construct a triangle if it does not follow this rule. So once we completed writing this function, we are importing combination from iter tools, and this combination is basically used to create the combination of all those possible numbers from this list. So the combination will work like that. It will create 3, 4, 7, then it will create 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5 and things like that. And here we initialize our combination, and here we passed our list L, the list is here, and 3 means we want to get the three pair combination, because in a triangle we of course have the three sides. So we created the three combination, and then we are iterating through each of this combination formed. and I is the variable which is going to iterate through our combination, and I will be a tuple and it will be having like 2 comma 3 comma 4 as a one combination, and another combination 4 comma 5 comma 7, and we have to just take this as a, this as b, this as c. So we are just using this condition, a is a comma b comma c is equal to I of 0, I of 1, I of 2, because we have the three numbers in our combination list. And then we are simply passing if triangle, means if this function is going to return true, then this function is going to hit, and we are simply going to print yes, there is a triangle possible, and we are simply breaking out of the loop, because once we know, we have simply print yes. We don't have to keep on printing yes yes yes, or we don't have to keep on checking for further number. It is just going to increase complexity, so we are simply going to break it out from here. And here I initialize the flag is equal to 1, and here it is 0, means if this function got hit and if we printed yes successfully, then the flag value will be 1, and if the flag value is still 0, means this condition never passed, and if this condition never passed, means this is none of the combination forms a triangle, so we are simply going to print no. So this was the simple implementation and the simple logic of this question, and I think you like this video, and if you did so, please make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel and share this to many people who can get benefit out of it. And once again, thanks for watching.